Hello everyone, it's Stephanie Manley with Copycat.com. I'm finally back on YouTube, and today I'm making a coconut rum cake. This is a great rum cake, and it's just a little bit of variety using the coconut rum. Alright, so we're going to begin with a box of yellow cake mix. That's just your 15 1/4 ounce size. Then we are going to add 3 tablespoons of flour. Why? We need to with all of this rum. Then we are going to add in a 4 serving size box of instant vanilla pudding mix. This adds a nice bit of moisture and flavor to this cake. Some people like to go sugar-free, but I don't recommend it on the pudding mix. Now we're going to add in a 1/2 cup of water, a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and then we're going to beat in 4 eggs. All right, so now comes the best part, the rum. So since this is a rum cake, or a coconut rum cake, I'm using coconut rum. Now if you like, you can use regular light rum, you can use dark rum, or even a spiced rum. So one tip in making this cake is grease and flour your pan. So go old school, grab out that Crisco that you may have around, wipe the pan down with Crisco, and then do a light dusting of flour. Pan nonstick spray doesn't always work. So just FYI, you're gonna have to go heavy on the release of the cake. So we are also going to make our rum glaze now. That's a 1/4 pound of butter. That's 1 stick of butter, 1 cup of sugar, and then we're gonna add a mixture of rum and water. That is a 1/2 cup of rum and a 1/4 cup of water. And then we are just gonna cook this for a couple moments after the butter melts. Now please make this cake responsibly. Please do not serve this to children or people that cannot consume alcohol. There is rum left over. I'm putting a link down by the New York State government that will state how much is left, and you're gonna be surprised. Might be the ideal cake to bring to your boss one day for lunch. Your afternoon may go better. I don't know, I'm just saying. All right, so when the cake, you pull it out of the oven, release it out of the pan, and that's when we need to really stick that glaze on while the cake's hot and the rum glaze is hot. So you're just basically going to continue to drizzle or pat this rum glaze into this cake very gently. This cake will take about 80% of the glaze. You might have a little bit left over. Use it to put on ice cream or whatever you like. Since this was a coconut rum cake, I'm putting it on top here, and then I'm gonna continue to layer on the glaze. But there you go. There is a delicious coconut rum cake just for you. Thanks so much for watching.